Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, I'm showing you guys how you can make money online with your smartphone. There is this new update that is currently paying for free without any investment. All you need to do is to pay attention to this video, watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line. After watching this video, you are going to make at least 4,800 naira to 50,000 naira on this platform for free, depending on the cash box you open. And then if you are lucky enough to win the 50,000 naira, or you are lucky enough to win, in fact you can win any amount, and the minimum amount you can win is 1,600 naira, which is equivalent to $1. And then if you're able to win $3, that is 4,800 naira. A lot of people have been winning $3 and then $5, so you may be lucky enough to win this money for free on this platform. Okay, it's actually an exchange, so I'm going to show you guys more, and you can also collect their airdrop for free. Okay, but before I proceed guys, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. If this is the first time you're hearing my voice or first time you're coming across my channel, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen, and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release new videos on how to make money online. We release videos every day on this channel on money making, so for you not to miss out, make sure to subscribe. Then at the end of this video, I'm going to be leaving the registration link in the comment section. So after watching this video, go straight to the comment section, use the link and register. And then I'm also going to leave our WhatsApp group link along with the link in the comment section. So after watching this video and you're done signing up, you can join our WhatsApp group for faster updates. You can get latest updates on our WhatsApp group. Okay, so now without wasting much of our time, let's proceed. Now the name of this platform is known as Echo, as you can see here on my dashboard. Okay, there are two ways which you can earn money from this platform. You earn money by collecting their wave, which is their wave token. You can earn money by collecting the wave token. When they list it, you can actually be rewarded with it. But this one that is paying you instantly is currently their campaign. Okay, now you might encounter some issues while you're trying to sign up, so they're going to ask you for passkey. Take a look at your screen. So when they ask you for passkey, click on create. I don't have passkey, click on create. Then you're signing up with your S account, that's Twitter. So if you don't have Twitter, make sure to sign up with Twitter. They're going to ask you to authorize Twitter because it is Twitter you are going to use in signing up. Now when you are done with your registration, what you need to do now for you to be able to make this money, for you to be able to collect this $3 to $50 for free, it is a cash box you are going to open. So let me show you guys. So when you register, this is how your dashboard will look like. Remember what I said. If you are trying to register, you might be confused. First, make sure to connect to VPN. This is the first thing you should do. The first thing you should do before you click on the link in the comment section of this video, go to Play Store or Apple Store and then search for VPN. So download any VPN you see there, and then you connect to that VPN. As you can see, my own phone is connected to VPN. So if you see here, you can see that my own phone is connected to VPN. Then it is when you connect to VPN, that is when the link will open. If you did not connect to VPN, the link is not going to open on your phone. Please take note. The first thing you should do is to connect to what? VPN. Then when you connect to VPN, you click on the link in the comment section. When you click on the link in the comment section, then they're going to ask you to authorize with your S, which means you are going to register with your S. Then they are going to ask you for that passkey. Click on I don't have passkey. Then they are going to ask you to enter your phone password or verify with your your fingerprint. If your phone has fingerprint or face unlock, then you can actually use it to authorize your device. Then the passkey will automatically generate. Then you now use it. So you can see, then once you register, the first thing you should do is to click on this place here, tokens. You can say I don't have tokens yet, or click on activities. I've already signed in today. Then you can see this place here. If your own is showing like this, see this this place here, this option reward. See this option reward, not here. Or you can click above here. Look at this cup. Click on this cup here, the trophy. So when you click on it, scroll down. Then for you to be able to open that box now, there are some certain tasks which you need to complete. So you can see this place here. Click on all quest. When you click on all quest, then you see this place here. Collect your daily waves. These waves are actually tokens you are collecting. Then collect your daily waves. Click on collect daily waves. Then come to this place here. Check out new post on our S. You click on it, it's going to take you to X. It's going to tick. Then you end these waves. You will see your wave balance here. Then you can see this place here, starter. Follow say Echo on X. Click on it to follow them on X. Then this place here, like and pin our post on X. Click on it to complete it. Then complete your friend send. complete your friends, and this simply means inviting friends. Then invite a friend. Okay, then when you finish it, invite a friend just simply means one friend, one person. They did not say friends. When you hear friend, it means one person. But when you hear friends, it has to do with many people or many friends. So you just click on it. You click on it to start. Each of them you complete. You have now tick, or once all of them tick good, like the way this one is tick good now, like this. Once all of them tick good now, you can now go back again. Then this place here again, this place here, you are seeing this trophy again. Then what do? You still click on it again. When you click on it again, then they are going to show you campaign. When you see that campaign, then that is where they are going to show you that boss. Then you open that box. You click on open that box. When you open that box, you might be lucky to win $1. You might be lucky to win $3. You might be lucky to win $5. You might be lucky, but the amount you can win range from $1 to $50. If you win that $50, wow, that's about 100K plus, oh, according to dollar rate now presently. And if you win $4, it's still good. You win $3, that's about 4,800 naira, like I mentioned earlier in this video. So all these things you are doing on this platform is totally free. Okay, this echo is an exchange and it's still airdrop they are going to launch soon. You are collecting the waves token, okay, for free. Now, where is that money going to be credited to you? Very important. Let me explain that. Now, when you win that money, it is a must that you win something. Oh yes, once you do this thing, you open that box, you must win from $1 and above. Okay, so they will give you either $1, $2, $3. Then you can see this place here. Did you see this place here? That is where the money is going to be credited to you. Now, if this money is credited to you on this place, what are you going to do next? The next thing you are going to do is that you can now place withdrawal. You can see this place here, wallet. Sorry, not here. Let's go back. Click here. You can swap it. They are going to give you USDC. USDC. So when they give you the USDC, you can actually withdraw it. You can withdraw it. How do you withdraw it? For you to be able to withdraw it, you need to do this thing. You need to do your what? KYC. KYC simply means know your customer. Now, what are you going to use in doing your KYC? You are going to use either your voter's card or your driver license or passport. NIN is not allowed. Please take note. It is when you complete your verification, then you can now be able to send that money to your exchange. Okay, you'll be able to send that money to your exchange. As simple as that. So that is how it's being done, guys. As simple as that. So this is how to make money from this update. If you have another question, you feel free to connect below. You can see there where to withdraw here. You click on withdrawal. So this is where you can withdraw your USD here. You type it here. You can see the address you are going to put here. You type it, then you withdraw your phone. You click on withdrawal. You withdraw your phone. That's when the money is finally credited to you to your dashboard. So that is it. Then if you have another question, you can feel free to comment below. I'll be there to reply you. Then if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you don't understand this video well, you can also come to me for WhatsApp. I will explain more to you. Okay, so that is it. Like I said, for you to be able to receive that $3. So after I'm done making this video now, I will have to go do my own task. I have to complete all the tasks, so that once you complete all this task, that is when the boss will be available to you. When you complete all this task, the boss will show to this place. You will be seeing campaign, this place here. That's when that's where you will see it, and then you now click on the box to open the box. So without wasting much time, take a look at your screen. That's payment proof. You can see people have been making money from this platform, withdrawing money on this platform, okay, for free. It is totally free and it is legit. If it is not legit, I will not post this. As you all know me, if something is scam, I will tell you something is scam, and if something is legit, I will tell you something is legit. As simple as that. This one is 100% legit and it does not require you to invest any money. It is totally free. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you have another question, the comment section is open, and then also don't forget to share this video. There is love in sharing. As I've shared this update with you, also share it with others. Okay, thank you and may God bless you as you share this video.